बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft video signing in. And I am going to share with you most beautiful and super stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful and very amazing. Craft work for you guys. So viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And for watching my videos. These are super amazing and incredible denim jeans craft ideas. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very different and very stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. If you want to make these type of denim jeans craft ideas, then you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of denim jeans recycling ideas. So viewers, keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. These are super incredible and very pretty denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. So keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'm very glad to see you all. Stay tuned, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.